Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Xiaomi E10 versus Xiaomi S10. Which robot vacuum is better for you? Let's look at the video. First, look at the suction power. The E10 provided 2500 PA and Xiaomi S10 provided 4000 PA of suction power. So, which is better? Xiaomi S10. Now let's look at the battery life. 19 minutes battery life is provided by E10 and 150 minutes battery life provided by S10. So Xiaomi S10 is better. Now let's look at the navigation. Random path is provided by E10 and laser navigation LIDAR is provided by S10. S10 is better. Now let's look at the mapping functionality. No mapping or smart mapping is available on E10. Smart mapping with app control is available on S10. So S10 is better. Now let's look at the cleaning modes. Standard spot cleaning is provided by E10 and multiple modes including deep clean is provided by S10. So in this case S10 is better. Now let's look at the app control. Basic app control is available on E10. Advanced app control with maps is available on S10. So in this case S10 is better. Now let's look at the obstacle detection. Basic infrared sensors is available on E10 and advanced 3D obstacle avoidance is available on S10. So S10 is better. Now let's look at the size and weight. Compact 34.5 into 34.5 into 9.5 centimeter is available on E10 and slightly larger 35.0 into 35.0 into 9.8 centimeter is go with the S10. So E10 is slightly more compact. Now let's look at the price range. The E10 is affordable and the S10 is mid-range. So the E10 is better for budget-friendly users. Now in the last, let's look at the mopping function. No mopping function is available on E10. The mopping function feature is available on S10. So the S10 is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.